Your Excellency, I have the further honor to invite Fiji's permanent representative to the United Nations to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of office.
I, Filipo Tarakinikini, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Filipo Tarakinikini, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the permanent representative with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability, so help me God.